Hello and welcome to Full of Food. This week I got some silicone liners for my Ninja Dual air fryer, so I thought what better way to try them out than making a dump omelette. Take a look to see what I thought of the liners and the little accessories they came with. Links to buy your own liners are found in the description. So on to the ingredients. Dump omelettes are so simple, just grab yourself some eggs, and I'm going to make mine in this new silicone liner like I said. I'm just going to put my omelette inside and see how it turns out. I've got some leftover vegetables, some pepper, onion and herbs there, salt and pepper, a few crushed chillies, I like to add a little bit of heat, and I had some leftover double cream, but you could use milk. So let's have a look at the silicone liners. So like I said, I just got these off Amazon. They came in this little bag, and when I opened it up, it was nice to see there was a couple of little extras in there. So a couple of these silicone pot holders, these are really good for any of the Ninja machines, just protects your hands, stops them burning when you're getting things in and out. Also came with this nice little scrubbing sponge, so nice sort of rough surface and soft surface there. I'll be using that later to clean my machine. And then the liners themselves, 2 in a pack, you can get different colours. They've got these nice little ridges in the bottom, which means that the air is going to circulate around your food in the air fryer. And then they just fit into the Ninja Dual. There's a nice little bit of room either side so you can get them in and out. So on to the method. So all I'm going to do is pop my liner into my machine and then make my omelette. So really simple, dumping it all in. So just grab your eggs, give them a good whisk, generous pinch of salt and pepper. Like I said, I add some crushed chillies. You could add any dry herbs here, whatever you want. I've got a little bit of double cream left over, so I thought I'd use that up, make them quite rich. You could just add a little bit of milk. And then what you want to do is just make sure your veg are quite small so that they cook in the same time as the eggs. So there they go. I had a little bit of pepper, a little bit of red onion, and then I've got some fresh basil there as well. So I'll just pop that into my omelette mixture. So give that a little swirl around, and then really simply just dump it. So dump it into that silicone liner. In she goes. Make sure it all gets nicely into the bottom and covers the bottom of that liner. And you could really up your eggs here. I used 4 eggs, but I think you could easily use 8 and then have it a lot thicker. Air fry for 180 or 350 for 10 minutes or until brown. Now really important here, you want to keep checking it, and if it looks like it's getting too brown, cover it up. You can see there I've got a little tray with foil, so can you see it's still eggy, still runny eggs. So I've got this little tray and I just like to put that on top, and it just means that it protects the top but allows the inside to burn. So just put it on for a little bit longer until all of that egg is cooked through. So here are those little silicone pot holders. So they're nice because they protect the back of your hands. That's the bit I always seem to burn. So take that little rack out, take my silicone liner out, and the great thing about silicone is nothing seems to stick. So you just need to give it a gentle flip out and flip over. And like I said, I think you could use way more eggs here and make it a lot thicker. And then I just like to cut it up, and you can see all those fresh herbs, leftover veg in there, a little bit of salt and pepper on the top again. Then of course we just want some tomato ketchup, because who doesn't love a bit of tomato ketchup with their omelette. So there you have it, a really simple dump omelette made using those silicone liners, and I'll be trying out some new recipes with those liners as well and let you know how I get on.